In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make a netherite pickaxe here in Minecraft. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Minecraft content just like this. Now, the netherite pickaxe is by far one of the strongest tools in the game, and here's exactly how you can go ahead and craft it. Begin by getting a crafting table and placing it down, and what you're going to need to do now is actually create a netherite ingot. To actually craft one, you're going to need 4 netherite scraps combined with 4 gold ingots. When you put them together, that's going to give you 1 netherite ingot. From here, go ahead and place down a smithing table. We're going to put one right here. And get a netherite upgrade, which you can actually go ahead and get in the nether. Essentially, left click on this, place that upgrade on here, and then place whatever tool you would like. In my case, I'm going to put a pickaxe and then the netherite ingot just like so, and that's how you're going to get yourself a netherite pickaxe. It is kind of complicated, but it's definitely worth it to get the strongest tool in the game. Yeah, if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. It lets us know that you want more Minecraft content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.